In this series of videos, you will learn about roles, user groups, and users. Before we get started, I will walk through what each of these terms mean. Users will have roles, which define what particular users are allowed to do. For example, view records, edit records, create reports, or configure the system. Examples of roles are social workers, or child protection managers, or system administrators. Along with defining what actions the users are allowed to perform, roles can also limit what kind of information is visible about individual records for specific users. For example, a child protection social worker may be allowed to view and edit personally identifiable information, such as name, age, and sex, about a particular child, while child protection managers may only see a reduced set of information about that same child, such as their age and sex, but not their name, and may not be able to edit any of it. Therefore, their role sets what actions they can perform on what records. For example, they can edit, flag, export cases, or only view cases. User groups represent the teams of users working together. For example, there may be a team of social workers providing services to children. There may be another team responsible for the children's best interest determination. A manager user group will have some level of access to all of the data managed by that group, but not to the data managed by a different group. Therefore, user groups create teams of users who can share information. However, what the user in that group can see is governed by the breadth of the data set in the role. Primero users are the individuals working for service-providing organizations and agencies who use the system. Users are the individuals using Primero, and each will have a unique username and password. Each user is given access to a module of Primero, such as CPIMS Plus or GBV IMS Plus. These three user management functions enable us to create the ecosystem of users in Primero. The following videos will walk us through the configuration of each of these functions.